Right about now niko na vijana ndani ya nyumba, and before I usher them in, nataka usikie utamu iko kwenye mambo yao. Vitu iko sawa sana. Karibu sana. Mko fiti bwana?
Tuko sawa.
Mko poa?
Yeah, tuko sawa.
Mbona mnakaa chisare? Iko namna gani? Vijana wadogo wachapa wanapiga rumba, inakuaje?
Wana Dulax.
Wana Dulax.
Yeah.
Tukianza kutoka pale, ninaona imeandikwa MC Generali. MC Generali ni nani?
MC Generali ni mwanamuziki na pia ni master of ceremonies.
So ni muziki sana uko pale.
Sana
kwa muziki. Ulianza kabla hatujawajua sana. Wewe jina tu haraka.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Emma Ambaye Town. Mimi ni mwanamuziki, mwana Dulax.
Mwana Dulax. Emma Ambaye Town, ya Bosongo tukaona kwa siku ngabo community.
Town ni area
ya Bosongo. Wana Dulax muna kimwacha kitende cha wana Dulax general MC Alpha General.
Okay, this is Wana Dulax. Toka karanste gatoka Rengere. Personally nilikuwa napenda nganje to muziki sana.
Okay.
So because nganje to muziki huwa nasikiza kitu vitu za kina Awilo Rongomba. Na those guys kina Franco Papa. Karanza Rengere, this thing ali muziki ni kora njebeka. Ngonya arakoyo handle njebeka.
Sure.
So I had to chip in ngaliye Ambaye Town. Ambaye Town has been a friend long way.
Right.
No moteri gatona tigato join yamu. Torozi ngende kikurunga Wana Dulax harmonies.
Okay.
That's where we come in. Wana duo.
So you are just two.
We just two,
That's nice. Before we go far, nimeona vibao vyenu pale, niliona kitu inaitwa Pami, nimeona vibao. Na I guess hiyo ndio kibao ambacho tutaanzia nacho, Pami. Ni nini Pami? Na mambo ya town.
Pami is just the short form of Pamela. Pamela no moiseke tu aterate. Moiseke we get at some point akanyago tu arasta bichire chimpe akantiga rende, that is to say in that song.
So you are the one who is singing this one?
I'm not the victim.
I'm in the song. I'm just singing the song.
In the song,
Okay.
So tukatebanga Pami umuntu nare tu arocha outside there, or whether this life experience aka share with us. Then mutaka tera Pami karanga ki ibagato kunya go kora mangana mange kimusani style igatoka enda to tera Pami yo so that wherever she is amanya ngambo ba kora to mongwano.
Are you sure? You want to know motomu? You are just a messenger. Go to me.
As a musician, lazima you depict what is going on in the society. Uborgi ndio under this guy. So katokaranga ali bagato kunya ko visa igato tumekina mubeke
Alpha. Let me hear you about that.
This Pami unajua Pami na utotere to montoyo lakini Pami na bangi. Ndio targetinga Pami na kiyoyo. Hiyo ndio kama pezi tuwagete pesa. Ngeni rahisi. Of course,
this thing you need to document because I guess kama unataka kufungua roho. But before unafungua roho sana, I guess we need to listen to this thing ya Pami. To skip ni nini kwa Pami. But before that, can we hear the acapella part of it? Something close. Either chorus or say a verse either.
Verse ya kwanza ni Kijaluo. Ni Kijaluo.
Na chorus yake?
Na chorus ni Kikisi.
Can we hear the chorus part before tusikize ngoma nyinyi wawili wakisikia?
Nenda hivi. Pamela Kananga. Pamela Kananga. Pamela yoyo, Pamela Kananga. Pamela yoyo, Pamela Kananga.
Wait. I can't wait, Bwana. I think I need to listen to this thing, Pamela. My people, listen to me. I'm just saying, Pami is coming live with Wana Dulax. MC Generali, name Ambaye Town. I allude, you're making a mistake of delaying to give us this thing. My name is Babu Mkongwe.
Oh, Pami. Ati moni yangu nyabijo moko.
Eralit Olet Marabier
Pami osiep chunya iringa nango Pami osiep chunya iringa nango Nyadi jomoko na era iga maradier Nyadi jomoko na era iga maradier Kosa mane momi iringo iweyo ya Kosa mane momi iringo iweyo ya Ating chunya elweta kosa timango Ating chunya elweta kosa timango Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela yoyo, Pamela kanganga Pamela yoyo, Pamela kanganga ukanganga Uganta masinge nchoye bitoki Uganta masinge nchoye bitoki Onegati manyeti asayo gutoka Onegati manyeti asayo gutoka Kwale gwancha Pamela yegwesike Kwale gwancha Pamela yegwesike Orenda bana bao unabasike Orenda bana bao unabasike
Pamela ngagwanja
Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela yoyo, Pamela kanganga Pamela yoyo, Pamela kanganga ukanganga Pani omosani benkoro Pani omosani benkoro
Omoliakari
Omwano bandenga wanchanchene nkoro Omwano bandenga wanchanchene nkoro
Yonsipi
Igoso kielina kolete mba kontige Igoso kielina kolete mba kontige Bogolye nkoro bobo kumanye ningwa chete Bogolye nkoro bobo kumanye ningwa chete
Baby
Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela yoyo, Pamela kanganga Pamela yoyo, Pamela kanganga ukanganga
Pami Atimoni yangonya dijo moko Eralit Olet Marabier
Pami osiep chunya iringa nango Pami osiep chunya iringa nango Nyadi jomoko na era iga maradier Nyadi jomoko na era iga maradier Kosa mane momi iringo iweyo ya Kosa mane momi iringo iweyo ya Ating chunya elweta kosa timango Ating chunya elweta kosa timango Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela yoyo, Pamela kanganga Pamela yoyo, Pamela kanganga ukanganga Uganta masinge nchoye bitoki Uganta masinge nchoye bitoki Onegati manyeti asayo gutoka Onegati manyeti asayo gutoka Kwale gwancha Pamela yegwesike Kwale gwancha Pamela yegwesike Orenda bana bao unabasike Orenda bana bao unabasike
Pamela ngagwanja
Pamela, Pamela kanganga Pamela, Pamela kanganga
ukanganga Pani omosani benkoro Pani omosani benkoro Omolia kari Omwano bandenga wanchanche nenkoro Omwano bandenga wanchanche nenkoro Yonsipi Igoso kieli na kolete mba kontige Igoso kieli na kolete mba kontige Bogolia koro bobo kumanye ningwa chete Bogolia koro bobo kumanye ningwa chete Baby Pamela Pamela ukanganga Pamela Pamela ukanganga Pamela yoyo Pamela ukanganga Pamela yoyo Pamela ukanganga ukanganga
Yani mliamua tu lazima tu Pamela ukanganga Pamela ukanganga Pamela yoyo Pamela ukanganga Pamela yoyo Pamela ukanganga my good Lord. I think Christians are here and watu wanafaa kujua kwamba hata wakisi wanapiga kitu safi sana. Pamela inspiration kimwanyo lete mumu gachaka na Kijaluo alafu ndo mkaingia Kikisi nasikia hapo.
Yeah, so personally, I'm the one that came up with the idea. I involved my guy because we are one.
Yes.
So the idea was, I live with a Luo friend.
Oh.
And all this story ni yake. Story yote ya Pamela ni yake. So he told me, unajua unakuanga msanii ema ambaye taoni umetoa nyimbo zako nimesisikia. So what if you put this into rhythm? Pelekea watu huko nje, tell them that Pamela did not do something good. Unaona? Anjanga mate, you know my guy.
And wait, mambaye taoni wait. So wait.
Yes.
The culprit, okay, no, let me not say the culprit, but the victim, your friend. This girl you are saying, is
you don't use the exact words.
I mean, no ni wede ni akubwatire. Pamela because we were nga umusani yogo aga erogete mukaba inspired.
Yes.
But umunyaruko yo oyebono boli no life.
Pamela.
It's not the one or motelitani aso maine serieta.
It's not the real one. We just said that specific person. Tikatoire ever general. No na Pamela na abange baliska. Na muraba sai baliska na abagate amapenzi genda abakale. So that everybody who could listen to this song, I will like it inspires me. And there is me peer. Someone did this to me. Unaona? Yeah.
MC Generali. Yeah. Sasa thing in real life imekukuta wewe ama wewe ni roho ngumu. You know it happens. Wewe imekukuta ama ni roho ngumu. And how was the experience?
Of course. Again the ikoro kwa mapenzi. Ngeri rahisi bro. Yeah. I don't have team work experience yake tame na dewenga mapenzi yana makali ya ngwa kali bro. Lakini asenara nkuneta asiniga. So personally can ni tabongo tebanga ni the victim in a way. Lakini not that much.
Okay.
Alafu the inspiration again ya gerete tukatebanga tikatoko Tomente ke garasi niniga nikusi.
Yes.
Renge some of the shows to perform. Mwenye alatorenga abanta bangi to involve. They are from the lake.
Sure.
Ono tukaranga. Kero to ndororo. Ngo ba tole vibe yake kusiengi ya sana. Lakini bono bia na ndo ba yendo. Barabo manyene ba kora tanga hii ni ya kwetu hii. Sasa ni ya kwetu. Ya bataki straight. So that's the inspiration we need.
No, wait. You know what I know mulibagere. How did you write that song? Nasikia you are on point. How did you write this song nani MC nani generally?
Okay, about
saying that no tumai through kama mnajua. How did it even happen?
Okay, being that umoja moyo na wate mama yetu na wate friend yae uliyo romo ye. So ndio ndio kwa kwenda is just about kulika ekegusi korore kero to ligete ekegusi to ke kororo to kokora ki to ka gamba no mojamoli to kokore translation gochi ekegere but of course you understand to some of the language here from the lake
Guys, I tell you, this is Mambaye Towni and MC Generali. Let me talk to the Avantoris Kogari. Nigo to na Duolax band. Wana Duolax Harmonies band. Ambao wameingia ndani ya nyumba. Now let me go back to you guys because naona kuna maswali yao nitauliza after this second. Kuna hii track ya pili naona mmefanya inasema namna gani hii? Tunabaeti. Yes. Tunabaeti. This song, it's all about what? Tunabaeti.
Okay. Tunabaeti generally means sinwapitaji tu. So the idea came. We've been observing the way people operate is Kogari. Abantu mbali babuate yani ubwene nubuli karabanya olrevinto abarogimbaro baro abantu bakaroga abanda singenzi batabuati gos. So uno musani generally akaleta idea.
Okay.
And then imamba. So agocha tokonya negente kadokoleki.
Okay.
So mi abantu ba.
Okay.
So Tunabaeti is generally no same. Yes.
I guess I'll come back ni waulize all about because I've come to realize the way you compose your songs it comes from a certain thing. Anyway guys, niko tuna wana Duolax Harmonies band. I'm not going to do anything just today, but I'm just going to leave you with them. My name is Babu Mkongwe. Tunabaeti, wacha nisikie kitu inaongea nini intwe Nabaeti. Aluda.
The Papa presenter Alpha Amwana Bosire Mambaye Towni Wana Duolax Harmonies. Keregento Ogo kora kora Keregento Ogo kora kora Lazima Yetero boragoli Lazima Yetero boragoli Oncholeria Etabiyao Oncholeria Aetabiyao Chibesa chiao nigoko abasubati Chibesa chiao nigoko abasubati Nerieto koligia Goseninki Nerieto koligia Goseninki Abasubati bonsi balia yokoega Abasubati bonsi balia yokoega Erende aeto boatwa Erende aeto boatwa Nabora gunderechera Enyumba Yegorofa Enyumba Yegorofa Ogote bangu agachole gaki Ogote bangu agachole gaki Chibesa echio aeto chibuati Chibesa echio aeto chibuati Digo bweroli amona mangana mange Agapicho tiogote bangu gorole Bese choto chibuati Lirolio suneke ginga Enseye naba ekitore Keregento nagetigare Mwanyabanto intwene riroba Biratigara matukonsine bitunwa Biratigara matukonsine bitunwa Enseye naba ekitore Keregento nagetigare Oberori no wakigose Oberori no wakigose Biratigara matukonsine bitunwa Biratigara matukonsine bitunwa Abantu nigoko nyakorogaroga no nyambusa tata Nigoko banyanyasa bagusiba mino Ebirogo nigoko rwanerera se kampuni etaliye yao Gose yaye neyo musongo Abao bosibole bwabo Ekiagera na barogomba bwatase bakobotumeka egetabu kiemereng'anio isano nemo 15 goika 19 niko gegoteba batebie bone mamba ye tauni
ebinto bitano na bibere ebinto bitano na bibere
bikoreteki
birokogecha asomonene birokogecha asomonene
yobose
okorigereria nobenenu oromemero gukwana uburimo amaboko agoitera amanyinga
kalinokomocha
enkoro ekoroberia amabe amagoro akominyoka gokora amabe kirori boborimo kuri oborimo
yayapi
omonto ogoitania bamwabo
irora
omonto ogoitania bamwabo
karibuya kabisa enseye nabaetitore keregento nagetigare mwanyabanto bintu eneriroba biratigara matuko nsine bitunwa biratigara matuko nsine bitunwa enseye nabaetitore keregento nagetigare Papa Zafania kutoka Kegoki anasema tigenda mwamune libero obokora kiroli naye ngainia ogoitania banto yayapi
Papa Richard Mokaya from Nairobi ateberenga tito basa goitera manyinga abarogi na inwe toreka motige goto chanda pi
Murayani ugoseri chobero korwa Kisi University omonyagitari bwechi computer nigago tebanga tigamangana yabe boigo
Ango Fredo Bachi Machoka kutoka Radio Citizen nigago teba kutwara bomo twensi bono mugusi kata kiuno kata kiuno kata kiuno kata kiuno
esorobi boturi erasta za kutoka Egesa nere nigago toa mangana tato yengenjo cheza kidogo cheza kidogo cheza kidogo cheza kidogo babu kutoka Eta ya TV anasema rumba kitoko alafu na sisi wanadulaxa tukiwa tumepewa beat hapa na producer Masese twakolire togo tebanga iganya saya basesenie
Nimesikia kitu kisema ati babu mkongwe mlikuwa umefanya dedication kwa show.
Ilikuwa kubwa. Unajua sisi ukuwatch sana. Wafuasi wako sana.
Sijui kama Aluda amesikia hii. Aluda hapo tu mwisho tu. You know hapo tu mwisho tu. Hapo tu karibu sekunde karibu 1 minute ya mwisho. Hapo ndo nimesikia ukisema babu kutoka Etaya. Rumba kitoko. Anyway you guys mzee nyinyi ni wakali. Hadi Mokokochi ameniambia our director wa cameras pale. Maka imagine mmenifanya nianze kuongea shit. Mwataka kuchanganya you guys you're doing some good job Asante. Shika chango. Mama ni Gwix wanasema. Gwix. Nice one. Thank you so much. Okocho kuiga abaiti. When did you do it?
Tumeufanya ilikuwa around mwezi wa 9 hivi ya mwezi wa 9 ya last year that's 2025 balitoa kwa togo tero huko twachitere idianga nze ntuna baeti
Okay.
Mogosero yo mino the fact that I know what eretabuati.
Okay.
20p. Sasa togochi ono ikere togochi nzaiga tigatosikane tuanchane tomenye kuna bantara bomo.
You guys mnanikumbusha jamaa anaitwa Franco Luambolo Nzoma Kiali. Utunzi wenu inanikumbusha huyo mzee wa kazi Franco, because Franco alikuwa anatumia the normal natural things ilikuwa zina happen kuimba. Yani ile tukie ngumu segoli ka usokwa na matera yega ni design vitu zilikuwa zina happen. I have heard you are talking about love and relationship, which has been one of the biggest scandals that zimekuwa ziki happen. Now before we go far, Emamba Town.
Yes.
Here you are now. What are you doing town? Usinena matera tu work.
Woniga, I'm a student.
Oh,
yeah. Yes. On Lekizi University.
Oh.
That is where I'm based. Also Merororo.
Okay.
And I'm doing this as my talent.
How is music taking you now? So far, mwakore ogotero kuiga Pami, mwakore ogotero kuiga Intonaba Ititore. How is the reception of this nini amatera yega industry?
It's good. Lakini kana to wale chakera bantomba to manyende.
Okay.
Bono it became hard. But the yabantu ngantu nabasani meto monda ko radio school kera litukari na oyo Gideon Bosire mambaye tawo. So he's telling me that he's singing.
Okay.
So people take you as a joke. Na bata tenga mubanita li wanchu so.
Sure.
So but when I want to give up in something at the first step, a loser.
A loser.
But when you start and then you give consistency, this guy was serious.
Okay.
He can sing. So for now, they turn up, our fans work.
I guess we need to plan this very soon. In collaboration with ETA TV. I guess we need to support these boys. I think go and plan one, and then we collaborate. We will come live from Kiss University or wherever. Let's more abange. Kiatike kozi kia bantu wanu bagari. Tupige muziki live. Tupige vitu za wana. I am Alpha, General MC. Now I've heard you telling. Of course, we've never met. The first time tunakutana nyinyi hapa. Now we are here. I saw this song Pami is now the latest song.
The latest song.
Mulitoa Intonaba Iti. How was the reception of Intonaba Iti na Pami wanoiga?
Okay, the reception of Intonaba Iti. Jarenge kinda nsasi nini. Sababu kwenye cheo kujulikana nini. But again, the reception of wimbo ya pili Pami ya vile ngia sana. Abantu bagonzire. In fact, yekereto chino yekereto yokora the video ya Pami. People abantu bari kutena yabara bolinga abamuraba na ya abantu banyako baraga boy. Yeah, ilikuwa mzuri sana watu wengi.
Alpha, again back to you. I've seen nimekuacha I'm a professional, you know, I'm very serious with good work. I saw in your video, the first song, I saw the quality. Among the challenges, is it that kutoa video quality ni challenge?
Video quality very challenge
because I can feel the music is very strong, but video kidogo ulitoa lakini kuna vile niliona
one of the challenge tu kwa tena ni funding kwa sababu hata na mbona challenge ya funding kwa nini mtu kutoka toka huko ya toire time na wako ranga kutoa rusete kwa tera kwa linga Intonaba Iti mpaka wekera woni ona to kwa lete Pami distance nero ene sana which distance ile te wendo tiko distance reason being to what fun.
So what you meaning? I mean, what the package? Among the challenges, you want to know you highlight some of the challenges you as the duo Lax Harmonies band you go through. You can just mention them.
Okay, first of all is that lack of funds. Yeah, the second one no kumanyikana tomanyikana demono up to a level that abantu wataranga
you have money.
Alafu abantu bali bago to watch for now ndo bate challenge ya ndora nyora abantu bago to bota koboko batobeke no ane ngokora to live band by day na to ja kukunichi vocals kadaiga time ngero to kara boto kukuni vocals kadaiga ono se live band ye ndora nyora segitega tora so tukwenda twara entertain abantu akega lafuto manya gukora kitwa twanyora something
Emamba, there is a message here that Bridget Kemuntari kire. Bwana anasema great job guys.
Yes.
Now the question goes, how do you balance mambo ya masomo na muziki? That's Bridget Kemunto all the way from Tabaka.
Okay, so balancing education na muziki it's not a big challenge because don't cover school all that on achievements for so for instance weekends na boko sange tole gali tutimugete chisa chiri timugete to karanga ki we are young and we have energy ngitokorara nyomba so let us just exploit our talent so that is the time most you sang to work practice and then we produce our songs.
Now I Alpha or before I come to you now in such or in which events you guys do ama mfanyangi wenye kuimba tu na mtaifa kwa nini?
Hapana, so for instance abako sangi mtanaro bwate so uno mintata ira abundo bwate live band.
Yes.
So it's not only these two songs si play gaiga to bwate but there are sounds tora chukue some to will take some beat and hype. Unaona so tunaweza kuja sherehe, tunaweza kuja masishi. For instance tupata kwa tera kwa matanga so we can go there and so in such occasions na bosangita parties ondo takata mangani club na baba tenga ki into and then you entertain our customers maybe at the end of it tumejulikana na pia kakitu mfukoni exactly
generally I don't know if people need to find you wherever you are watawapata aje.
Okay, ase mitandao ya online. That is Facebook tunakuwa pale kama wana duo like Harmonies na ndo wate personal accounts
mission them.
Okay, personally on Facebook my personal page iko kuna MC Generali Alpha na the general page band iko kuna wana duo like Harmonies. Alafu ndo wate band TikTok MC Generali Alpha. Alafu ye band wana duo like Harmonies. On YouTube majorly now, this is where you find our music. Asimo kwa muziki yetu. Tokoro kuna wana duo like Harmonies band. Wana ile mitandao
ambaye taongerini.
Kama ambaye taoni una moi hore nje ngotoka se mitandao ya kijamii. Facebook ambaye taoni, Instagram ambaye taoni, YouTube ambaye taoni, TikTok ambaye taoni. Yes.
Still on you, baada ambaye taoni. Nkitobwa tega no bwa mwatige mu yosina bintu biri boshe gatora.
Ibintu ne binge biri boshe buna twateba. But I can do it to kumuna karaoke fans. So when that it takes us long to perform the next song. Not that we don't have the lyrics or anything to alikire, but now the problem is fans.
I want to directly you talk. I know some good fans are here and some kuna watu ambao wamependa muziki because mbona messages hapa mingi sana wanasema kuna huyu alikuwa anaitwa Ondie Kikimara watu bana ekamachi muntu kuroka bosi mungana sana tukaba abombu imbu yabale tikabatemenya saya nabo ako bayigurira ebisiyeri uyu abunere Ondie Kikinaro ona Victor Morawa analisa from Kilimati kwa moja hadi tamati salimia hao vijana kweli their future is very bright in music. Freddy Godhe mabana watabanga from Nakuru Massive very presented in live na kibatera buna Luo sponsor by the way nande ono kabiro unajua Luo sponsor Luo sponsor is our rumba mkizujo jamaa mkisi ambaye anapiga rumba mko na uhusiano yote na yeye. Amuna
Zakutana
hakuna mali ameingilia because ndio ni kama hata nani moko tumeleka alikuwa anasema kwamba ni kama umepiga muziki kama yeye. Hakuna.
Hapana.
The last word yemo your fans let me start from Mumbai town just 30 seconds only kwanya abantu nando your parting shot word.
So nchengo kwanya abantu baleka abayibuli bana of course they've been supporting me Mama Gladys Kemuma Sokoro ya Natures Nyanga Marita na babu Minto Teresa Kwamboka Nyanga n'umusomi Minto Richard Mokaya kurwa sagotoka. So our fans pale nje, thank you so much for your biggest support. Twale kuchagua ikonya talimo. And someone who is watching us out there and you feel like these guys unaweza wa support we just humbly request that you chip in otokonye so that we reach our goals. Hata nyinyi mmeona we do our music and we are dedicated. Even though you guys don't support kidogo. But our fans, thank you so much. Also our fixens wenye wanatusaidia hapo nje kina Senti, Yvonne, Susan Moturi. Thank you so much. The big family ni wengi na chipa. Thank you so much. Nawapenda sana.
Thank you so much Mamba ya Town. Generally Alpha. Your parting short word tumekangeka medeligali. Then kwa ni your fans just 30 seconds and then nilikuwa na get go. After this I just go. Tukue muziki tuende.
Okay, to my fans, balibago to support isikali in terms of ko watch video cheto, ko like, ko share. We just say tobanze sana na to my family balibarenga balibatorigereti na kurwe my whole village anya batoroche gani manyitemba toroche of course ambo kwa ni my mom Josephine Kimori, kwa ni my dad anaitwa Zafania Kimori, my fellow siblings. Yeah, na again my friends pale Kisii University tuko na Rich Oberon na msalimia sana anaitwa Brian Mukaya. Najua unatazama hii nimekusalimia sana bro, na tuko na Bunny Boy Kenya. Bunny Boy Kenya ni kijana anafanya kazi nzuri sana. Pia yeye namsalimia. Nikisema thanks sana kwa support yenu. Na kuna watu wengi sana tutanyare kwa mesho. Mwakorega segi sana mwatofandri. Abandi mwa the camera guys behind our music. Yeah, tunasema Mungu awabariki sana na mzidi tu kutusupport in terms of finance. Ntore insechi besenji bolete ila mwote mamuna mora tokonye moto iga sisikali ga wane chibande nini asante.
Thank you so much Generally. Guys, this is one of the biggest shows Southeast West Africa. Tumekuwa na Wanadolax band. No, it's Wanadolax Harmony Band. And thank you so much our fans for tuning in. Hii ni nzuri sana. Support vijana, ni vijana wanachapa kazi, nimependa kazi yao. Kumbe waliimba, nataka hiyo ngoma irudiwe, hiyo ngoma ya Tunabaite Tule. And then you guys, mimi namalizia hapa sahi na waacha wao warushe mambo hapa and then mambo ndio itakuwa mzuri. My name is Babu Mkongwe Kigogo, esokone abantu bonse kinachiria na kyukande tumenenga manyana ndingo mugaka mokogoti ni gaga kare asekelisia egetagati uri tkoryangyo arafu kurumambi ari bantu nabange gari bagakare manyetega toishire go ikomutinyoya uriyo gatatu uyo kwa resma umutinyo sigete sana umutinyo gatatu uyo gatatu cyo no zo yokane uyo kamera go kiruraria umutinyo uriyo kwa resma toishire kunyuika nando yo nono umutinyo uri abantu abange baganiriye bamuhiro kombo nandi babatoreke njene sokore abantu bozi ebodoza rumba mambyo bakwende kanisa. Thank you so much abantu matangono PG Church abantu ba Redeemed Gospel Church Tabaka. I love you so much. My name is Babu Mkongwe Kigogo. Esokoro ne abantu bose Wanadolax Harmony Band.
Opa mi Atimoni ngonya dijo moko Eralit Olis Maradier
Pami osiep tunya iringa nango Pami osiep tunya iringa nango Nyadi jomoko na era iga maradie Nyadi jomoko na era iga maradie Kosamane momi iringo iweyo ya Kosamane momi iringo iweyo ya Ating tunya elweta kosati mango Ating chunya elweta kosati mango Pamelo kanganga Pamelo kanganga Pamela yoyo Pamelo kanganga Pamela yoyo Pamelo kanganga ukanganga Uganta masinge nchoye bitoki Uganta masinge nchoye bitoki Onegati manyeti asayo gutoka Onegati manyeti asayo gutoka Kwale gwancha pamera yegwesike Kwale gwancha pamera yegwesike Orenda bana bao hunda basike Orenda bana bao hunda basike Pamela ngagwanja Pamela
Pamela, Pamela ukanganga. Pamela, Pamela ukanganga. Pamela yoyo, Pamela ukanganga. Pamela yoyo, Pamela ukanganga, ukanganga.
Pami omosani wenkoro, Pami omosani wenkoro.
Omolia kari.
Omwano bandenga wanchanche nenkoro, Omwano bandenga wanchanche nenkoro.
Yonsipi.
Igoso kieli nakolete mba kontige, Igoso kieli nakolete mba kontige. Bogolia nkoro kobo kumanye ningwa chete, Bogolia nkoro kobo kumanye ningwa chete.
Baby. Pamela, Pamela ukanganga. Pamela, Pamela ukanganga. Pamela yoyo, Pamela ukanganga. Pamela yoyo, Pamela ukanganga, ukanganga.